to my channel. OMG, it's been a while. I haven't uploaded any videos here to you guys, and some of my videos were stuck in my album and didn't get the chance to upload it, didn't get the chance to edit it. So, but yeah, I'm back. So anyway, I'm so excited to be unboxing and giving you guys a review of this portable dishwasher that changed my life to the fullest. Anyway, let's unbox. Joke! There's no unboxing. I found this portable dishwasher in Facebook Market. Let me share with you guys how we came up to have a portable dishwasher, because when we got this house, we renovated it, but we didn't put any dishwasher in it because it takes a lot of space and takes away the storage that we have. So we just stick to the washing dishes. It wasn't really a big deal even in our old house before, but right after I become a mom or delivered my baby, it's been so hectic. It's so much that washing dishes takes a lot of my time. I've been looking for a dishwasher for quite a while now. I was searching for something that will fit. I'm looking for something that's on the counter. I've been looking for one that it will fit perfectly. I finally found one, but it's quite expensive. So it took a while for us to decide to get one. Anyway, move on. But I've been thinking about it more and more to get one. So I looked on Facebook Market. I couldn't find one. So I was like, okay, move on. And then the next time, one more time, I was like, I have to check again. So I checked and I found it. Oh my gosh, I found this portable dishwasher. It's called AIRMSEN, which was the brand that I really wanted because it will fit perfectly in our counter and cabinet. So the original price is $600 in Amazon, but we got it in Facebook Market half the price. So the great part is it's brand new. Usually Facebook Market is not brand new, right? It's always been used. And I was curious why they're selling it, but anyway, I'm so happy that it's brand new. So anyway, let's start the review, and I couldn't wait to share with you guys how it works. Let's get started.
It was wet because it was raining outside, so we gotta wipe it, and we are taking everything out. And guess what? Yes, it's brand new because there's a tape in it, so we gotta remove that. And we're gonna attach this drain. Make sure it's really tight so it won't leak. Make sure to wash your dishwasher the first time. So we did that last night, and now this is my first ever wash. So here are the dishes that we had this breakfast and lunch. So yeah, let's get started. So there's area that it couldn't really fit. So it probably that's for straws. I really didn't know where to put it. So I practiced, and now I'm gonna show it to you how I put it. So the challenging part here is I gotta move it so that I can open the top part to put the water in. And they have a pitcher here, and just put 3 pitchers of water and then it'll be full. Nice part of our faucet, you can just pull it out and super easy. Just turn on the water and it'll directly pour the water in. You'll hear a beep once it's full.
Start.
You can actually open it without sprinkling the water, which is amazing. If you forgot to put some dishes, you can actually do this. Epic fail. Actually, there's a pause button to pause it before you put the dishes and then click start. So far, so good. Everything is super clean. Except for this glass, there's a lot of water spots on it. And guess what? I forgot to put dishwasher detergent. So let's redo it again. I am really amazed. It's super clean and shiny and super nice, except again for this glass. There's a little water spots on it. I only did it for 29 minutes, which is the speed mode. And let me redo it again for another load after dinner. This time I'm gonna do the glass mode, which is 59 minutes and see. So I have utensils there with straws in it, glasses, bowl, and a lot of plates, cooking utensil. It fits a lot actually. It fits perfectly underneath our cabinet. There's a little space there, and it's actually 18.1 is the height of this dishwasher. Now it's drying time after that 59 minutes, and there's another 60 minutes for drying time. You can actually do extra dry if you want, but I don't prefer. It makes it too long. You can actually conserve water than the normal wash. Look at that, less water. Let's see on a glass mode if there's still spots on it. I can still see a little bit around it. It's so weird that still have that spots compared if you just wash it and drain it. So we'll check it later for more wash. Actually, it's not super bad compared to without the soap. It didn't really do a good job on a glass, so oh well. But the rest are super clean. Look at the cutting board, super duper clean. And all the plates are so shiny and so clean, and I'm so amazed. And even the wood cooking utensil. And the rest did a really great job. I'm really happy about it. And even the utensils, the spoon and forks, it looks shiny, it looks really clean. Let's do another wash. So I have my pot here. Make sure to remove everything, all the food in your pot.
It's been challenging to put the tongue inside.
Right, and I discovered that you can actually open it. What? So no struggle for putting your
Scissors or tongue inside.
She's gonna check.
And unfortunately, the cover of my pot won't fit here, so it will go on the next load. Before this, I already put the water in, and the next thing to do is to put your soap. Don't forget your soap. So, let's go. It's super cool looking at it that there's water sprinkling at the bottom and also sprinkling on top. And I really love the blue light. So I tried to pause it, and I wanna get the glasses out of here and before it dries. So I just decided to wash it quickly a little bit and just drain it on a rack on a sink, and so it won't leave spots. But most of the time I got no time, so I just wash it here anyway, so no problem with the spots. I have noticed the more I washed it, I've noticed that the spots is so minimal, not a lot, so it's not really a big deal. And now let's look up here. So many dishes, it fits perfectly. Like I have so many plates there and so many bowls and utensils. My super amazing husband re-engineered this one, and he came up with this idea to put pipe on it, and we decided to put the dishwasher in the corner, not on the side. And look at that, he bought that plant pot in the dollar store and connected it with a pipe, and there's like a straw there, like 3 or 4 straws inside to let the water flow. I'm really impressed on how he came up with this idea. It is so neat as you look at it. This is just optional. You can actually just use the top using the pitcher. I was so curious to look inside this plant pot to see how the water flows. So he drills 3 holes on a lot of sides, and so that the water will just drain completely. Instead of just showing those gray pipes, that doesn't really look nice. So my husband connected this pipe, and it's now looking clean and neat to look at. And that's where the water drains. And charan, we got a fake flower there. So it's still looking nice. Instead of sticking those gray suction on the sink that's on the way, we got this pipe. Look at that. It's so amazing how we can fit a lot of dishes in here. I got the rice cooker pot, plates, a lot of utensils, so many bowls inside. I can't believe how many you fit in here. I do my dishes after 7 p.m. to save electricity. I cut my dishwasher detergent to save detergent. So, and as well, it's a really small square in there, so it actually fits when it's half. Usually, I always put it on a speed mode to save time, because after 29 minutes, you have a 1 hour of drying time. What I love about this idea, because our faucet is super nice that you can just extend it and it's hands-free while I'm putting the dishes in the dishwasher, so saves time. They have this tube that's connected from the faucet to the back of the dishwasher, but it didn't really fit on our faucet, and I didn't like the idea of having that there. But I love this smart idea of having to pour in the water on top of your dishwasher. We're gonna be trying another mode, which is the fruit mode. You can actually wash your fruits and vegetables here, and there's a mode called fruit, so it will only take 19 minutes, but don't put soap in it, okay? I didn't have so many fruits in here. All were eaten, but you can actually put a lot of fruits and vegetables in here all in one time.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed this review. And while my dishes is being washed, I did so much things. I cleaned the house, I did laundry, I do my business, I'm taking care with my son, I'm being with my family. I did a lot actually while my dishes are being washed. And my dishes actually is not really my priority. I'm so happy with this AIRMSEN portable dishwasher. I can spend more time now with my family and spend more time on do other things while my dishes are being cleaned, and instead of spending more time in the kitchen just washing the dishes. So I was amazed because yesterday I was just amazed so I spend more time with other things in the house, and sometimes the dishes are stacking up, and when it's stacking up, there's the stress coming out. So And right now I'm very happy because it's just washed while I do some other things. So like this, I'm being with you guys, and at the same time my dishes are being washed. So much to do. It's just a lot of extra convenience for a mom like me, for a mom like you, or for a busy person like you. It just saves your time, saves your water. It's actually only 3 pitchers of water. That's it, and it saves your sanity. So it saves your mental health, and overall, I love the portable dishwasher. I couldn't be thankful enough that we have one, and this is actually husband approved. He's happy about it as well, and after his breakfast this morning, he just put all his plates inside the dishwasher. So our rule now, every time we finish our food, we put our plates in the dishwasher, and when it becomes full, and we'll wash it. So overall, I'm very happy with it, and now I'm getting used to doing the water, put on the dishes, and put the soap. So don't forget the soap. That's the important things. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day, and always stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you. Bye.